Hey, how you doing, guys? This is Astuo. You know what time it is. Right now I'm gonna show you how to flush the transmission fluid in this 2014 Ford Escape. Alright, 2014 Ford Escape transmission training fluid flush. For that, we're gonna go to the bottom of the car. We're gonna remove this cover so we can get to the transmission drain plug. This transmission drain plug, hit it with a 13mm socket. Okay, I'm about to show you where it is, where it's located. There it is, right there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove this bolt, this drain plug, put a jar under or a bucket, whatever you had, so you can measure how much you pull out. Know what I'm saying? So whatever it comes out is what you're gonna put in. So if we get like 4 quarts, that's what we're gonna put in, 4 quarts. I have this Ford Escape dates American LV. Okay, it's a red color, just so you know. American LV. So once we drain all this fluid, we're gonna put the transmission drain plug back, snug it, make sure it's tight. Then we put the cover back. Once we put the cover back, we bring the car down, or however you're working on the car, and then I'm gonna show you where the transmission fluid cap is. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. It's located right next to the air filter housing. So once you spot the cap, transmission cap fluid, just remove it, turn it to the left, counterclockwise, remove the cap, put a long funnel so you can pour the fluid, transmission fluid, American LV. In this case, I got out 4 quarts, or almost 4 quarts. So that's what I'm going to put in. Did I tell you that on top of the cap it says Malcolm LV? Well, here it is. Here's the transmission cap. You got yellow letters on top. There it is. Like I said, I'm sorry for the lack of lights, for the lack of brightness, but I did what I could. There you go, American LV. Alright, it's right color, just so you know. I just want to say, while I do this, I just want to take the time to say thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And if you didn't do it yet, now is the time to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any comments, any questions, anything related to this vehicle, to this Ford Escape, just put it in the comment box. Let me know what you think. Also, don't forget that I need that feedback. Alright, I need to improve this so you can enjoy it and get the best out of it. Get the best out of my videos. Alright, I need that feedback. I need to know what you think about these videos. I need to know how can I make it better for you. Okay, now I'm pouring the Malcolm American LV. 4 quarts. Put the cat back. Once we put the cat back, go to the driver side, start the car, and play with the shifter. Put it in park, put it in reverse, neutral, drive, S. Well, this car has S after drive. Alright, start the car, the shifter is in park, put it in reverse, then neutral, then drive, then S, then go in reverse, S, drive, neutral, reverse, park. And do that like 3 times. You know what I'm saying? 3-4 times. It takes a while for the transmission fluid to heat up. Okay. Like I said, I appreciate you take the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, do it now, please. Hit the like button, share it. I need that feedback, bro. Don't forget about that. I need it so I can improve this channel. Okay, anything you know, anything you want to say to me, put it in the comment box. Any idea, any experience related to this Ford Escape, anything you want to say, put it in the comment box, please. And this is how I get the job done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright? Stay alive. Okay? It was a stool. Oh, I forgot to say it. You don't need to say it 3 times no more, alright? Just say a stool once. Out.